Demeter, goddess of harvest, represents cycles in nature and change. Every year, she mourns her daughter Persephone's descent into Hades. Winter signifies Demeter's grief, manifesting a barren earth and frozen cold. Spring symbolizes Persephone's return, bringing warmth and renewal. Nature's cycles reflect life's impermanence and continuous transformation. Demeter's story teaches the acceptance of life's inevitable changes. Her emotional metamorphosis mirrors human philosophical growth and adaptation. Through Demeter's myth, we understand life's ebbs and flows. Nature's cycles become a metaphor for personal evolution and growth. Demeter imparts wisdom about balance and the interconnectedness of existence. Her tale underscores the importance of embracing life's transformations. Understanding seasonal shifts aids in recognizing life's fluctuating phases. Just like nature, individuals undergo emotional and cognitive metamorphosis. The myth serves as a philosophical lens for understanding change. Human resilience finds inspiration in Demeter's acceptance of cycles. Cycles remind us of renewal, resilience, and personal growth in adversity. By studying nature's rhythms, we gain insight into our own journeys. Demeter's wisdom reveals life's spiral of perpetual change and renewal. Her story emphasizes harmony with nature and life's cyclical essence. Understanding these cycles fosters a deeper connection with existence. Each season brings new challenges, lessons, and philosophical insights. Demeter's cycles teach us to balance acceptance with anticipation. Change is constant, and adaptation is necessary for growth. Through myth, we learn that equilibrium is achieved by embracing cycles. Demeter urges us to acknowledge change without fear or resistance. Nature's transformations mirror inner emotional and psychological shifts. Every change brings opportunities for personal and philosophical renewal. Embracing cycles helps develop resilience in the face of life's challenges. Demeter's eternal wisdom inspires acceptance and understanding of change. Her philosophical metamorphosis offers a perspective on life's transits. Life's journey is about accepting and adapting to its inevitable cycles.